Hey kitties, what's up? How you doing? It's been a minute, but we will get into that. That's why I've been away for so long. Guys, I have some new stuff up on my website, so don't forget to go check out my Etsy shop. I have some great items for you guys. My shop is linked in the description box below. So yeah, go check a girl out. Anyway, so we're gonna jump into this video. And yes, I don't have long claws. Can you see? Like, I have short nails right now. So I did some shorties on my nails. I just want to switch it up from time to time. And here I am just showing you my new business cards. I went on Zazzle. I have been asleep. Like, I came up with this in one night and then had it paid and shipped. I think I had 100 cards. I forget how much I paid because I also bought a planner and like a calendar. So yeah, with the same design on it. And I got a mask, business cards, and a calendar like planner so I could put my appointment and my appointment book. Hello, that's what it's called. From Zazzle. So yeah, I actually like it. I pulled my card out to give it to someone because they liked my nails and I wanted to promote myself. Hello. And I was handing it to her, and I was at a Costco's, I won't forget. And she was like, "Oh no, ma'am, you have to swipe your card there." And I was like, "No, it's a business card." And she was like, "Oh my god, that is so cool." So yeah, I love it. Okay, so we're gonna jump into this video. Everyone always asks me about mixing, my mixing video. So I'm going to show you how I mix and make like a glitter acrylic, okay? So as you can see, I'm showing you some glitters that I bought at my local Dollar Tree. When I tell you people, kitties, I buy my things from everywhere, I mean that. I go to Dollar Trees, Family Dollars, Targets, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Michael's. Wherever I see glitter, I'll buy it. So these glitters are from Dollar Tree for, you guessed it, $1. They sometimes have different colors. My Dollar Tree has been a little sparse, but as you can tell, sometimes they have different color packs. These are some of the packs I've bought from Dollar Tree that, you know, I haven't used, but they're backup just in case I feel creative and I want to make a mix. And they'll come in packs of like 5, like I showed you, usually in the same color family. So you'll get a color family of blues or pinks or reds. I got like the browns and golds for the purpose of this video. Now, I got this little this little jar to mix. It has a lid. I do suggest getting you a jar that has a lid. Now, I got these. They connect. These I got from Walmart. I will try to find it online to link it below. I'm not sure if I can because I bought it in store, and when I bought it, it was literally only them on the shelf. But yeah, get you a little jar. You can get one from Dollar Tree as well, guys. It just has to have a lid. The reason why it needs to have a lid because we're going to shake it up and mix it. Then I have this gel remover, like pusher. So when you do soak offs, you kind of push the acrylic and gel off or whatever. I use that to mix. And I'm showing you the glitters that I purchased, like I said, from the Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree will have glitters in these little jar pots, and they will also have glitters like in the little package that I showed you. So I'm picking out the combination of glitters. I'm just showing you how they look. And yeah, let's jump into the mixing portion of the video, guys. So like I said, I'm just getting color combinations together. So when I mix, I just pull out, as you saw, I had a bunch of leftover glitters that I got from the Dollar Tree, just like that. And these are the new glitters that I'm pulling off that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just putting together the colors I think would go well together, kind of pop, you know. And then that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I put in the glitters as I like, and sometimes, I'll be honest, sometimes I'll make a combination and it, you know, it's just not, it's okay, it doesn't hit, I'll throw it out. I'll throw it out mainly because well, they were $1, so I don't feel too bad throwing them out. The majority of my glitters do come from dollar stores for that reason. But usually I try to stay within the same color theme or family. So I'll have an idea if I want a gold, rose gold, that's what I'll put. I'll pull all my rose gold glitters and stuff together and kind of like see how it works, you know. Do a little bit at a time. I will suggest that when you're doing it for the first time. You see, I'm dumping it just to dump because I've been doing this for a minute, like since I started doing nails in 2018. That's how I built my glitter collection and my glitter acrylic collection, my personal collection, by doing this. Because I didn't want to buy, let's just say, other brands' glitter acrylics. So I'm like, I could do this. And if I can do it, guys, you can do it. But I would suggest start off smaller than I am. I'm just really going for it and just dumping in. But start off small, a packet or two. See how you like. See if the ratio is good. And all of which I'm going to show you. What I mean by ratio is you got to put enough acrylic in so that you can use it as an acrylic glitter. Okay? So I put in all the color combinations I want. I cover the lid and I give it a real good shake. You have to like really shake and move and stir and really get the glitters to like separate, because sometimes I've had it before where they kind of chunk together. Usually I'll just throw those out, but for these Dollar Tree glitters, I'm not even lying to you, are actually really dope. Like, they're really good glitters. Now you can, like I said, go to Hobby Lobby and Michael's. There may be more expensive glitter sets that they sell there, and they will have more color combinations for sure. However, Dollar Tree glitter, nothing's wrong with it. Dollar Store type glitter, nothing wrong with it. So this is after the first good shake. I'm just really showing you guys. It's so pretty. I love this kind of a gold. It's like a coppery kind of gold. I don't want to say a rose gold because it's not, to me it's not rosy enough, but I did add like pink, really subdued pink glitter to it to give it a kind of shimmer, like, you know, rose gold, but not, I don't know how to describe it. You guys take a good look and you tell me, but I loved it. So that was the first step. So what I do is I get these little pots from Amazon, and I will leave it linked in the description box below. And I will save some of the raw glitter, just like this. Raw meaning I did not add any acrylic powder. And I will save the raw glitter as part of my glitter collection. And then what's left over, I will add Mia's Secret clear acrylic. And then mix it up real good. And then there you have it, glitter acrylic. You can use any clear acrylic you like. I still use Mia's Secret. I have my Young Nails as well. I go between Mia's Secret and Young Nails clear acrylic. But when I'm mixing, I mainly use my Mia's Secret. I don't know why. That's just my preference. But you can use whatever you want. Whatever clear acrylic that you have currently that you work with, because clear acrylic as a nail tech or whatever, we end up buying big jars of that because, you know, we go through that more so than anything else. I can say I've been doing nails since 2018. It's 2021, and yeah, my clear and my nudes, I run through those more so than my colors. I really do. But that's just me personally for the type of nails I do for my services and things like that. But anyway, I digress, as I usually do. So as you can see, I am putting some of that glitter in with my acrylic, Mia's Secret clear acrylic. And then I'm going to show you, I'm going to cover it, but I'm going to show you how much clear and how much glitter. Then I cover it up and I shake that bad boy up. You'll see me stir it up. You really got to get it mixed and shaked in. And then what you do is you test it out. So you get a paper towel or even a swatch stick, and you kind of make sure that when you are using it, you want to use it as an acrylic, it flows. Like it doesn't get chalky or stiff or stuck, because you wouldn't want that. It's hard to maneuver or use. So you kind of have to play with your ratios. It's trial and error, guys. When I first started doing it, I either didn't have enough clear acrylic or I had too much glitter, and then I kind of got a feel for it. You will too, trust me, you will. And it's a great way, like I said, to save on some bucks and make your own glitter acrylics. What you can also do from these steps is you can go from there and start making your own colored acrylics. And I'll make a separate video on how I do some custom colored acrylics. Go ahead and get your swatch stick together, or you can just do it on a paper towel, you know, it's up to you, but I did it on my swatch stick just to see how it flows, and it flows really well. That's how you know your ratio of your acrylic to your glitter is good. You just have to test it out. If it's too stiff, or you will definitely be able to tell if it's too much clear acrylic, because you won't have enough glitter when you lay it down. You want it to be shiny. I mean, for me personally, for the type of glitter acrylics I make, I love it to be just chock full of glitter, but you have to do it so that it flows well when you are applying it, which is what's going on here. So when it's like this, when it flows like this, you did it, you bombed, you caught it, it's awesome. And now I made this mix for the purposes of this video, but this would be a bomb glitter like acrylic for the fall. Like, I know we're in the midst of summer, but like, look at that. I love this. I love it. I love it so much, but I'm not gonna keep it. I'm going to offer it. I'm going to give you guys, my subs, my kitties, 2 lucky subscribers. I'm going to send you both the raw glitter and the acrylic mix that I made in this video. So the first 2 people to comment on this video will receive this mix. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I love you kitties so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Stay tuned for my next video. I will be giving a whole lot more tea in the next video. Bye.